A man accused of shooting and killing a 15-year-old girl in Atlantic City appeared in court for a detention hearing. Lawyers for Cleve Bryan argue that the shooting was an accident. Eyewitness News reporter Cleve Bryan was in court for today's hearing. He joins us live with the latest details. Cleve.
Well, good afternoon. According to his attorney, Naquil Lovis from Pleasantville, the 18-year-old admits to killing 15-year-old Naima Bell, but the question is, did he do it on purpose? Appearing in Superior Court this morning, he had a detention hearing in front of the judge. The charges there at this point are murder. According to investigators, Lovis and several teens were hanging out in an Atlantic City apartment early in the morning of July 25th. Lovis was pointing a loaded handgun at people, then took out some, but not all of the bullets, and continued to play around. He then pointed and pulled the trigger at 15-year-old Naima Bell, fatally shooting her in the head. Now, Lovis' attorney says reckless manslaughter would be a more appropriate charge because his client didn't mean to kill Bill and immediately showed regret. But prosecutors say Lovis knew he didn't take all of the bullets out of the gun and knew his actions could kill someone.
What we have is a defendant who was well aware that the gun was loaded. In fact, he was playing with it. In fact, somebody else was playing with it, and they were told, stop doing that, it's dangerous. So he knows that there is a loaded gun. He knows how many bullets are in the gun because he has the gun in his hand, and in fact, he maneuvers the gun, he manipulates the gun. And after taking out some of the bullets, I can't guess why, but it's possible so that nobody would think otherwise, he points the gun at the girl's head sitting next to him, and he pulls the trigger, and there is, of course, a bullet in there, Judge.
The judge ruled that the murder charges, can move forward to a grand jury and that Lovis should remain in jail through the remainder of his court proceedings. Now, after court, we reached out to his family as well as Naima Bell's family. They were both here. Neither of them wanted to speak with us after court. We're live in Cleve Bryan, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Okay, Cleve, thank you.